Hey everyone, Extreme Crypto here, and we're back. It's been a struggle with the current situation in my country, but we'll work around it. And we're back with our FTX update. Yes, I need to add another pair, but we'll try and do it on a live stream shortly after this. But let's update the current situation, and then we'll get to that live stream later on. Looking at the current tokenized stocks, since we're trading the tokenized stocks, have a look at them and leave me a comment saying which one you reckon we should be adding in the live stream. As we go through the list, they're getting more and more, creating more and more opportunities to make some profits. Which one will you choose, or which one do you think is the right one to be added next? Maybe Apple, maybe Facebook. Who knows? Grayscale Bitcoin Trust. With Grayscale taking on the SEC in a lawsuit, this can be interesting. So let's get to the first one we started trading. It was Tesla Doge. Now looking at my sell take profit standing at 10,891 and my buy limit standing at 9,518. If we go to the charts, we can see we did have a sell take profit at 10,347. That means our take profit was hit. So let's readjust our lines and alerts and see what we need to move. So our latest entry would have been 10,574 and our next buy limit order will be at 146. So our lines are in place. We're just gonna reset our alerts. And then we'll get to the charts and put our Tesla Doge trade back in action. Making sure everything is sorted. So our alerts are set, our lines are adjusted. My Excel sheet is updated. All we need to do is make sure we cancel the previous buy limit order and we add a new buy limit order at 10,046, and we're trading 0.03 Tesla at the time. So our Tesla Doge is sorted, it's back in place and ready to roll. We have quite a few sell take profits ready, and our buy limit orders I always just put in one. If the market do make a rapid drop, I can always get in lower and build back up. Perfect. Tesla Doge sorted and ready to roll. The next one we've been trading is the slow mover SPY. SPY consists of 500 small cap companies. Over the long run, the opportunities are endless. These kind of stocks with multiple companies in them have a great average around 4 to 8% growth over a year. And that's the benefit of trading it this way. Looking at my SPY, according to my Excel sheet, we should have 3 sell take profits, which is perfect, and 1 buy limit order. We can just move over and make sure my trading view chart is also saying the same. 3 sell take profits and our 1 buy limit order. So SPY is perfectly still consisting. If you look at the blue arrows, we have a few buys and a few sells. Not much, not as volatile as if you look at Tesla Doge. Tesla Doge has been moving rapidly for us. A lot of blue and red arrows, a lot of buy and sells. Looking at Amazon, we added Amazon after the split, the 22-1 split. Well, if you had 1 Tesla stock at the split, you now will have 20. But with the massive drop in price, it creates opportunity for new people to come in and buy the Amazon stock. If I look at my Excel sheet, 212 is our latest sell take profit, and our next entry is $103.60. It looks like Amazon is still in place. We'll just confirm it on TradingView. Looking at TradingView, we can see the same alerts are still in place, meaning my Amazon trade is where we want it. Moving over to finally the last one, and that's Google. Our buy limit order is missing. That means we should readjust our sell take profits and add a new buy limit. So our buy limit is at 2,093. Seems like I didn't add it. Let's just make sure about the order history. Looking at Google, our latest entry was at 2,000, but that was the 29th. So yes, so there is our latest entry, 2,093. That means if we look at the balances, we should have around 0.048. Google. Let's see, where's Google? So we only have 0.036. That's our free. So the buy limit order did trigger, and it seems like it already gave profit. So all we need to do is add a new buy limit order and have that in place. And the new buy limit order is going to be at $2,093.60. And we're trading Google with 0.012 of a share at a time. Our buy limit order is in place. We got free sells in place. Looking at our alerts for Google, our alerts is in place. Seems like I missed putting in this order. It did trigger and move back up. Not totally sure what I did, but at least all our trades is back in place. We have a buy and sell, and that's the main thing. As long as you have buys and sells and a market in between, it creates opportunities as we move up and down. Now the main thing, let's get back to it again. I'm looking to add one more stock. I'm going to do a live stream, so make sure you hit the like and subscribe button so you know when the live stream is going to be. Which stocks should I be adding? Alibaba, the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, Twitter with Elon Musk taking it over. Is this the opportunity we're looking for? MicroStrategy, will they keep on buying Bitcoin? What are their plans? Apple, is Apple Pay gonna accept crypto full on? Will Apple be buying Bitcoin? Coinbase, will Coinbase get off the ground and start moving up in share price again? Which one of these do you prefer or reckon we should be adding next? Netflix took a massive dump with people moving back to work. PayPal, there's a lot of great opportunities. You need to help me decide which one you think is going to be the best option. Leave me your comments and concerns down below, and let's trade the tokenized stocks on FTX. Link down in the description. Have a good one.